The most powerful hurricane to slam into the U.S. mainland in 12 years has made landfall in the southern state of Texas, where it is expected to wreak havoc throughout the night. Hurricane Harvey hit the shore near the town of Rockport, where a number of buildings are known to have been badly damaged. There are concerns people could be trapped inside as well. Over 100,000 people in the state have been left without power, as well as winds of up to 215 kilometers an hour. Up to 1 metre of rain is expected to fall as well. It could also cause storm surges of up to 4 meters along the Gulf of Mexico. President Trump, who's expected to visit Texas next week, has declared the hurricane a national disaster, which will free up federal aid for the area. The U.S. National Hurricane Center says Harvey has been downgraded from a Category 4 to a Category 2 storm.